If you need a soldering system that's easy to use, tackles an array of applications, and increases productivity, you will find the Metcal MX 5000, Oki MFR 1100, MFR 2200 and PS 900, as well as a full selection of soldering tips, cartridges and accessories. In addition to high-performance, competitively priced dispensers/controllers, we have a complete line of precision needles, syringes, and all accessories. Metcal Advanced Soldering Hand Piece. General Purpose Tool for Single-Task Soldering. Touch-Up Soldering. Surface Mount Device, SMD, Rework, and Pad Cleanup. This handpiece uniquely offers users a choice of 3 interchangeable grips to meet operators' preferences for comfort and feel, ultimately resulting in higher levels of productivity. The Metcal Advanced Hand piece uses the highly popular STTC and SMDC cartridges. Visit ewdsolutions.com for more details.